Here on the LaserPecker LX2, I'm going to show you how to install the fire extinguishing set. So here's a manual. Here's an extra fire extinguisher. Here's the first piece that we're going to mount to the back. Some screws and an Allen wrench. And then the second piece that we're going to mount that already has an extinguishing unit, an aerosol extinguishing unit installed. So the first thing is we want to make sure that we have this off, and then we're going to open it up. We're going to probably have to pull the laser module out of the way because we need to get into the back here. So in the back here you can see these mounting holes. We're going to be using the top one on the left, the bottom one on the right. And we're going to be starting with this back plate, and we're going to be mounting through the holes on it. And then we're going to take the other piece that has the aerosol installed. You're going to have to undo the little rubber band on the wiring here, because we need to stick that out to the side. And then this has the 3 holes that line up with those 3 mounts. So we got those 3 screws screwed into the mounts behind it. The last thing we need to do is plug in the cable. This safety plug must be removed before use. So there's just this extra little safety plug that's on here. So we're going to disconnect that, and then we're going to just plug it into here. Let's see which way this wants to turn. So that's pretty simple. There were 2 screws on the mounting bracket, then these 3 to mount the front that has the extinguisher attached to it, and then plugging in the cable here, and we're all set.